Well, no, I'm sorry. So let's get right to it. That's in the video. It's your boy. Okay, I went too fast. Okay, I'm sorry. I went too fast. Right there. Okay, let's do the retake. Okay.
Cut.
Beep. Okay. Welcome back, guys, to the video. It's your boy, Toxic Ninja. Guys, it's your. I'm sorry, I didn't post a Con video. I didn't post very much today. I have the hiccups today, guys. I'm gonna make this video real quick. So if I talk fast, try to keep up. I'm sorry, guys. Enjoy, like, comment, share with me to Con video tomorrow. Yeah, hiccups, worst day of my life. Bye, everyone. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.